5 people who comment first will be getting a free gift. Hello guys, good evening. Welcome back to another video. I'm Harry and today we are going to talk about the best budget riding helmet with amazing quality and as well as ISI and DOT certification. Can you guess which one is it? So meanwhile, people who are guessing, you can drop in a comment if you have already guessed it, right? Then 5 people who comment first will be getting a free gift along with the helmet if they place an order with us. So guys, this was the helmet I was talking about, Studs Drifter series. And let's talk about the features first, then we'll come on to the pricing. So first of all, it's a full face helmet, as you can see, right? Outer looks may, if you can see, there is an aerodynamic spoiler which comes fitted along with the helmet. On the top, you can see we have the top air vent, right? And on the front also, you can see we got the front air vent. After opening the visor, we can see the breath deflector, and it's a dual visor. Yes, it's a dual visor helmet which can be operated easily from here, right? And coming on to the certifications, you can have a look. It has ISI and DOT certification, which is Indian, and USA certification, which comes along with the helmet. So yes, safety wise, it's pretty safe. Fit wise, it's very snug fit as it comes in different sizes, medium, large and XL. And coming on to the inside of the helmet, we can see chin curtain is there. Then the paddings are fully detachable and washable. I'll show you how exactly. As you can see, this one, the paddings are fully detachable and washable. So you can even install a Bluetooth or intercom device if you feel like. And also you can install a camera by removing the front air vent. And the price of this helmet is 2,550 rupees, which is 2550. Although the unicolor helmets are priced at 2350, which is 2,350 rupees. So to know more about this helmet and to know more about the colors, enjoy the lineup coming up. Also, Studs has come up with a new visor color, which is night vision yellow visor, compatible with Studs Drifter and Thunder model.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through ice covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
So guys, I hope you like the lineup of the Drifter series. This is the Studs Drifter series helmet we talked about today, and it is one of the best sellers these days because of the snug fit and the certifications and the features and the cool graphics it gets. Along with this, I announced in the beginning that first 5 people who will be commenting or guessing about the helmet will be getting a free gift. So yes, you must have seen the night vision yellow visor. First 5 people who place orders through us UPI for home delivery will be getting a night vision yellow visor complimentary with the helmet. And that was it for today. Signing off. Adios, amigos.